Hey, what's going on, everyone? I am back. Today's August the 10th, 2022. We're going to talk about DWAC today, DWAC. If you guys haven't heard, I'm quite sure you already have that. Trump's mansion in Mar-a-Lago was searched, raided, whatever word you want to use. They came in and took some documents from the man's house, right? And the market in DWAC kind of took a small move to the downside. So I said, well, guess what? I'm going to come in and do a video for my subscribers and show them what I suspect the price in DWAC is going to do following all of this information that is coming out about Trump. All right, so if you guys want to join me, go ahead and hit me up, hit the like button, share the video, also subscribe here to the channel, because I don't focus in on the news. I don't focus in on what other people are trying to say. I focus in on what they do with the money. Money is the biggest deciding factor as to how people think and how they feel. If people feel very good about something, they'll put money towards it. If they don't feel so good about it, then they won't buy it. And if they do have that particular thing that they don't like anymore, they'll sell it. And all of this is being displayed on the price chart. So we don't have to spend hours upon hours looking at articles and trying to look at the company's books and trying to figure out how much revenue they're expecting to do in the future. All of that is negligible when you see the price chart. Because everyone else, if they're doing the information, if they're doing their own research before they pull the trigger, then guess what? We shouldn't have to worry about doing all that research because they've already done it before they pull the trigger. And all we had to do is look at what the majority of the market is doing. So if you guys want to join me, go ahead and hit me up, hit that like button, share the video, also subscribe here to my channel. All right. So now let's go ahead and talk about this real quick, because on my last video that I did for DWAC, I didn't drop a price prediction. I wanted us to wait. I wanted the market to give us more information regarding to what they wanted to do. Okay. And currently we kind of got an idea as to where the problem child is. We kind of got an idea as to where the sellers are positioned in the market in DWAC. And that's why I wanted to come in and talk to you all today. I wanted to show you where the sellers are at. Okay. So let me go ahead and show that to you real quick, because when you see this on a 3-day chart, because from my perspective, I don't care what anyone says, the chart don't lie. Okay, charts don't lie. When you see what's occurred on the price chart, you got to believe it. Okay, so check this out. Bring this arrow down, this horizontal line down. Okay, just a little bit, because you guys can see I originally had it here around $36.25. Right, I had it right there. Well, I'm noticing how the price in DWAC, for some apparent reason, is unable to trade above $33.25. This is where the sellers are at, because back here, okay, right here on this particular 3-day price bar in April, the market utilized $33.25 as support. Okay, now here we are today, though. I want you all to see this. Over the last couple of 6 3-day price bars, the market in DWAC has not been able to trade above $33.25, even though they attempted. Like, these 3-day price bars represent the market trying to break above $33.25. So guess what? We already know that if DWAC does not trade above $33.25, we know that the easiest way for the price to move is down, because the buyers was not successful at trading the price above $33.25 on those 6 3-day price bars. The chart is not lying. When people have spent their money on these 6 3-day price bars, right, and they didn't get the reward of seeing the price go up, they give up. They leave the market. And that is why price currently in DWAC is trending down. Okay, so as of right now, just by looking at this information here in front of you, would you say that DWAC is going to move higher? This is DWAC here on the 5-day. Okay, look at this last 5-day price bar. The market in DWAC attempted to move above $33.25, but it closed off of the highs. That tells me that there's a little bit more sellers in the market. Now, it doesn't mean that the price is going to collapse. So let me keep it real. What I'm saying is that the price doesn't look that bullish. That's it. So can we still see the price in DWAC trade sideways? Yes, because that's what's been going on the last 4 or 5 weeks. The market has just been trading sideways. So that is the current trajectory that the market currently is on. But the longer that we see price trade below $33.25, we're not going to see the market go up. The longer that we see the market just hover slightly below that price level, I'm here to tell you that now. So when we don't see price run up, we understand that someone told you way before the market did not move higher that that was the case. Okay. Now we got 2 days and 9 hours left, right? And I'm here to show you these 2 weekly price bars right here. The chart's not lying. 4 weeks. Look at these two weekly price bars. The market is giving us exactly the same type of price bar. The previous one, the first one right here, the market tried to run up, got rejected. All right, cool. Second attempt, market ran up, got rejected again. I'm here to tell you the next 2 days and 9 hours, if this price bar right here looks the way that it looks now, we're not going to look for the market to go higher in DWAC. It's just that simple. And the crazy part is that in the next 2 days, if this volume remains light, then that definitely tells me that the buyers are leaving out the market. Okay. So let's go ahead and do this on the hourly chart real quick. You guys can see that the current trend is down. It's possible that we can possibly see buyers enter the market in DWAC right here. Okay, so let me do this too, because I want to keep it real. We can see the market in DWAC fall down here to like $28 first. That's 6% movement to the downside, or even to like $26.50 on this ascendant line. We can see that. Okay. So what I'm going to do, I am going to play the weakness into the market in DWAC though. I am going to look for the price to go down, because we already know that the market did not successfully break above 33.25. And that first price target, you guys can remember, it's going to be around 28. That gives a 6.5% move to the downside. My second area is going to be around 26.75. That gives us 10.75%. Right? Like I said, I'm not looking for the market to plummet, to collapse, to crash. I'm looking for it to dip, to go a little bit lower, because I am suspecting that buyers are going to try to approach the market in DWAC around 28, possibly 26.75. But if they don't, we're already in position to see the market in DWAC go down, right? Possibly even down to 22. So you let me know. What are you looking forward to into the market in DWAC? Are we going to trend higher? Are we going to go up? Because even if I do see the market do this, and if we get rejected again at 33.25, I already know that the market is massively weak, and the move to the downside is going to continue. All right, so this is it. It's your turn. Go ahead and let me know whether you all think the price in DWAC is headed. Are we going to go up? Are we going to go down? Give me your idea, all right? Make sure you maintain a profitability. And as always, trade different.